Click on the link below to get price. The 9000W Dual Motor Ebike for adults is a powerhouse of a machine that truly takes electric biking to the next level. From the moment you hop on, the bike's robust build and stylish design make it clear that this is not your average e-bike. The dual motors provide an impressive 9,000 watts of power, which translates into exhilarating speeds of up to 45 miles per hour. This bike is perfect for thrill seekers and commuters alike. One of the standout features is its acceleration. With the dual motors working in tandem, you experience near-instantaneous power delivery, making hill climbs and quick sprints feel effortless. The throttle response is incredibly smooth, allowing you to control your speed with precision. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or tackling off-road trails, the bike's performance remains consistent and reliable. The battery life is another significant advantage. Equipped with a high-capacity lithium battery, it offers a range of up to 60 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and modes. This means you can comfortably take longer rides without the anxiety of running out of juice. The bike also features various speed settings, allowing you to customize your ride according to your preferences and energy levels. Comfort is not overlooked either. The ergonomic seat, coupled with adjustable handlebars, makes for a comfortable riding position, even during extended trips. The suspension system absorbs shocks effectively, ensuring a smooth ride over rough terrain. Additionally, the bike is equipped with advanced braking systems that provide reliable stopping power, enhancing safety at high speeds. In terms of aesthetics, the bike is eye-catching with its sleek lines and modern design. It comes equipped with LED lights for better visibility, enhancing safety during night rides. Overall, the 9000W Dual Motor Ebike is an exceptional choice for anyone looking for speed, power, and comfort all in one package. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a novice, this bike promises an exhilarating experience that you won't soon forget.